Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn off mobile data on your Pixel mobile. Okay, and there is some different between from other Android device. They can easily access from the notification panel, but Pixel have different options. So see it. Just open your notification panel, then you can see option of mobile data, and you can see there. Just open that, okay, and click on that section. Then you can see option of mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then tap on mobile data, okay. Then you can simply turn off mobile data. So that's the different. Other mobiles have one touch, but Pixel have double touch for mobile data and Wi-Fi turning off toggles. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.